In our last video, we explored hallucinations, when AI confidently makes things up. We saw how hallucinations can erode trust, cause financial loss, and even put lives at risk. Today, we move to another critical challenge: human plus AI collaboration. Because successful AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about working together. AI excels at speed, scale, and pattern recognition. Humans excel at judgment, empathy, and strategic thinking. Collaboration means combining strengths, so the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Collaboration doesn't happen just because AI is introduced. Misaligned processes, unclear roles, and mismatched expectations can cause confusion, duplicated effort, or even slow decision-making. In practice, collaboration problems take many forms. Analysts ignoring AI outputs because they don't trust them, AI tools lacking context for decisions, humans over-relying on AI and losing critical thinking skills. Consider a customer service team using AI to triage requests. Without clear guidelines, humans bypass AI suggestions, and AI misses critical context. The result? Slower resolution times and frustrated customers. Here are 4 strategies to make human plus AI collaboration work. 1. Define roles. Clarify where humans add value and where AI adds speed. 2. Process alignment. Design workflows that integrate human and AI contributions. 3. Transparency. Ensure AI decisions are explainable and understandable. 4. Continuous learning. Train teams to adapt and improve collaboration over time. When human expertise meets AI capability, businesses unlock innovation, efficiency, and trust. Gartner predicts that by 2027, organizations that master human plus AI collaboration will outperform peers by 20% in productivity. Collaboration between humans and AI is not automatic, it's intentional. By aligning roles, processes, and expectations, we turn potential friction into a competitive advantage. This concludes our series on the problems in agentic AI implementation. From data silos to trust, hallucinations, and collaboration, each step reminds us that AI's potential depends on thoughtful design, safeguards, and teamwork. The future isn't human or AI, it's human plus AI.